Hello, hi, good morning, my dear friends and students. I hope all are doing well and good. I am Ravi. You are watching Ravi Math Space channel for math education. In the channel, we are discussing mathematical basics as well as content of 10th class. So, today video is related to basics. Okay, already I have explained some basics in the previous videos. You can watch the videos and learn the basics, do math calculations very perfect and accurate. Without basics we can't perform math calculations. So this is the very most fundamental role plays in the mathematics. Basics are very most important. Without basics math is nothing. So first we want basics. If you know basics perfect, maths problems and math is very easy. Okay, so today is very most important topic, that is types of numbers. We have two types of numbers there. One is for general types of numbers, another one is special types of numbers. In this video, first I will explain as a general types of numbers. So first, already we know we have a uncountable numbers are there. Uncountable numbers are there. So uncountable numbers, how it is, already I have explained how number starts, what is the first step of the mathematics numbers. That all things I explained in the first video. I will give the description box link. You will watch that video and know the basics of about the numbers. Okay. So first we have a uncountable numbers. That numbers are called as a real numbers. That numbers are called as a real numbers. The real numbers are indicated the letter capital R. So set of all numbers, all types of numbers will be. Real numbers means all types of numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, infinity. So symbol represent as a infinite, meaning is we can't define. So it will go like this only. So these all the numbers are called as a what numbers? Real numbers. Real numbers. Now see this real numbers, how to identify, how to recognize. So very simple example I will tell. Suppose in your class 40 students are there. Suppose if you want to call some specific children, how to call? Yes, by using his or her name. By using name we can call. In this also, so we have a uncountable numbers are there. Then how to identify numbers, some specific numbers means, that's why here these real numbers we categorize as a some special types or general types. So first special type, general types of numbers. So why they categorize like this? For remembering, recognizing. That is the very most important. So why type? Already here numbers are there, uncountable numbers are there. So why we are types of numbers coming here? So types of number means we can very easily we can recognize. Suppose names, how Raju, Ravi, so Kirtika. So like this means special number I want means we can pick out means, so we can give one name means we can take that number. Otherwise what number we are getting means we get confused. So for that we divide the number for easiness. We categorize the number as some types. First type, some types. So what are the types means one by one we are going to discuss. The first type is here. First type is what it is? Natural numbers. Natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinity. Next type is what here? Whole numbers. Next type is whole numbers. Now, what are the whole numbers? Very simple. The numbers counting from 0. The number counting from 0. The numbers counting from where onwards? 0 to how many? Infinity, and so on. I am writing infinity. So these numbers are called as the whole numbers. Another way also we can say the definition. How? For natural numbers, if I add 0, then it become as a whole numbers. So whole numbers means set of natural numbers plus 0 is called whole numbers. Like this also we can say. There is no question. Okay, whole numbers means the numbers counting from 0 to infinity, or the set of natural numbers plus 0. So that all also meaning is or natural number plus 0 is equal to whole numbers. So whole numbers are represented by the letter, that is capital letter W. W is equal to set of where onwards starting 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on infinity, so uncountable. So it is whole number. It is the second type. Now third type. What is the third type here? 3. That is integers. What are those? Integers. So how we can define integers? The integers are combination of positive number and negative number including 0. So natural numbers, what I told for yours? Natural numbers, counting numbers, we can say positive number also. Why? Because this all are the positive only, na? Positive number also we can say. So positive number plus now negative number. Negative means minus symbol will become along with 0. Otherwise, how I can say the definition? Set of whole number plus negative numbers. So like this also we can define the integers. Now I am writing here integers combination of what I am telling, positive number or natural number. Combination of natural number or positive number, natural numbers, comma, next negative number and 0. Another way simplification is what for integers? Set of whole number plus negative numbers. I am writing here whole number plus negative number is equal to, what is the name here? The integers are represented by the letter. What letter? Can you guess? Not I, Z. It is for the Z. Integer is Z. So therefore Z is equal to what is now? Positive number. I am writing, sorry, here space is not visible, na? I will write. So if you want to take means screenshot, take here fatafat. Yes, first one is total. We have a uncountable numbers. These uncountable numbers we categorize. First one is natural numbers, second one is whole numbers, third one is integers. So I am rubbing this one off. Yes. Integers. Therefore, Z is equal to, how to represent set of whole numbers. What are the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinity. Plus, next one is what here? Next one is what here? Yes, includes negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. Minus infinity and so on, positive infinity. So on, positive infinity. These are the, see, 0 right side is all positive number, 0 left side is all negative number. So here onwards, increasing number, it is for decreasing number. It is for a decreasing number. Okay. So this integer, again 2 types. Integer are 2 types. What is for positive integer? Integer are 2 types. Positive integer. Positive integer which represented the letter is Z. Which represented the letter is Z. Which Z? Plus Z. Meaning is this all are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinity. This all are called as a positive integer. Next one is negative integer. Negative integer represented as a minus Z, which is nothing but as a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on, minus infinity. So positive integer, negative integer, but 0 is there here. Then what about 0 here? 0 is either positive or negative. Yes, 0 is a neither positive nor negative. What is the meaning of 0 is not a positive, not a negative. It's for only constant. Why? Because 0 is nothing but nothing is there. There is no positive, there is no negative. This is the very, very most important. So many children, they will get as a confused here. 0 positive or negative means they will say as a positive. Not. Remember, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Meaning is what here? Not positive, not negative. It is a constant. It is a constant. So integers are, how it is the form? See, general form should be, so Z is equal to set of, so 0 right side positive number, left, yes, left side is negative numbers. Okay. Positive integers are called represented by plus Z, negative represented by minus Z, minus Z. So 0 is what here? 0 not positive, not negative. It is for a constant. It is a constant. Remember, it is a constant. It is for the third type. It is a third type. Now fourth type is a rational numbers. It is a rational numbers. Yes, rational numbers. What is the definition of rational number? How we can define rational numbers? Yes, rational numbers can be defined as the numbers which can be write in the form of P by Q. What it is? P by Q, where Q naught is equal to 0, where Q naught is equal to 0 and P and Q are integers. This is very most important condition. Remember, P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers. The number which can be write in the form of P by Q, where Q naught is equal to 0 and P and Q are integer. Such type of numbers are called as the rational numbers. Such type of numbers are called as the rational numbers. Okay. Now what are the rational numbers? Now the rational numbers are represented by the letter, that is for capital Q. That is nothing but capital Q. So what are the rational numbers which can be write in the form of P by Q? Like this: 1 by 2, 2 by 3, minus 1 by 6, minus 7 by 4, and so on, like this. This all the type of numbers are called as a rational numbers. What type of number? Rational number. Represented by what letter? That is the Q. That is the capital Q. So it is for as a fourth type. Next, here in the rational numbers again two types are there here. The Q rational numbers are two types. First type is positive rational number. Positive rational number. Second one is negative rational number. Negative rational number. The positive rational numbers are called as a fractions. What it is? Fractions. So what we are going to get? Definition of the fraction here. So positive rational numbers means fraction definition, same rational number definition only. So the number which can be write in the form of P by Q, but conditions will be changed. What are the conditions? Q is equal to Q not is equal to 0. It is for same. Here P and Q are integers, not natural numbers. Why? Positive numbers na? Positive means numerator, denominator should be positive. So first one is numerator, it is for denominator. Okay. The name is called as a numerator. Down one is called as a denominator. So both are positive means here should be positive numbers only, not for negative. That's why here condition, fraction, definition. Remember rational number definition, fraction definition, both are same definition. Only one condition is differ. What condition? Here P and Q are integers means rational number, natural numbers means P and Q are natural numbers means fractions. Only positive only. So negative means I can represent only negative fraction only. So name is called as a negative fraction only, but positive name is called, that is called as a fractions. That is called as a fractions. So again rational number two types, positive and negative. So positive name is called as a fractions, negative name is called as a negative fraction only. Negative fraction only. So but here we did not call it is fraction. We call as a rational numbers. It is called as a rational numbers. Negative we should not call it is a negative fraction. Only negative we should represent in the rational number. That is the difference here. Logic of the maths you should understand here, then only very easy. So fraction should be positive, not for negative. If it is negative, we should call it is a rational number. Remember, rational number. So these all are the rational numbers. So again rational. So what is the form here? The number which can be write in the form of P by Q, where Q not is equal to 0, P and Q are integers. Understand here. So again two types, positive and negative. Positive types only called as a what it is? Fractions. So fractions and rational number definition both same only. Only one condition is differ. Understand the concept? Okay. Next type is what it is? Represented letter is minus Q. It is represented as a plus Q. Letter is positive means plus Q, negative means minus Q. Next one is, if you want to means take the screenshot. I will rub this one. Okay. Yes. So irrational number. What it is? Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. What are the irrational numbers? See here. Type. What is the definition? How we can define? The number which cannot be write in the form of P by Q form. The numbers which cannot be write in the form of what form? P by Q, where Q not is equal to 0 and P and Q are integer. Meaning is exactly opposite of a rational number is called as a irrational numbers. Rational numbers means which are in the p by q form. So irrational numbers means not in the p by q form. So how to represent the letter? We can take it is for q dash. We can take the letter is q dash is equal to. So how we can take here? Root 2, root 3, root 5, pi, and so on. The pi, the name is called as pi as a pi. Okay, pi. So these are the general types of numbers. These are the general types of numbers. Can you tell me what are the first one is? Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. Okay. Now here we have to remember the properties of these numbers. This is for very most important. You should understand the properties here. How it is means see. Shall I run this one? Yes. Take the screenshot. Fatafat take the screenshot. Yes. Now I will explain the concept here properly here. Here one shot all numbers I will explain here. This is for very easy, for easiness. Okay, one shot explanation. See here, first natural numbers represented by the letter n, where we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These all are the natural numbers. Counting numbers, positive numbers, all are the same only. Remember, different names we will call here. Next one is whole numbers. We are counting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on infinity. These are the whole numbers. Meaning is it is for natural numbers plus 0. It is the set of natural number plus 0. Next one is integers. Next one is integers. So integers means what here? So whole number plus and negative numbers and so on. Negative numbers, whole number plus negative numbers. We can represent it is again set of whole number plus negative number. Whole number plus negative numbers. Next one is rational numbers. Next one is rational numbers. Again here positive integers. What are those positive integers? 1, 2, 3 and so on. Next to negative integers. What are those here? -1, -2, -3. Sir, what about 0? 0 is not positive, not negative. 0 is not positive and not negative. Next, cube. Rational numbers. What are the rational numbers which are in the p by q form? So meaning is 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 22 by 7, 11 by 44, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 7 and so on like this. These all are the whatever rational numbers which are in the p by q. So p by q. So this first one is, the name is called the numerator. Down one is denominator. Numerator, denominator. So again here types. Positive types are called what it is? All positive only. 3 by 4, 5 by 6. All positive numbers are called as a fractions. Are called as a fractions. Negative as it is will become only rational number only will come. Negative rational number only we will call. What are the negative? Same for negative I am taking. Same only negative side. Negative symbols. So negative. Here we can't tell negative fractions. Only fractions means only positive only. So negative means it is for rational numbers. It is for rational numbers. Next one is what here? Irrational numbers. Next one is irrational numbers. What are the irrational numbers are here? So which cannot be write in the form of p by q form. 5 and so on like this. And so on like this. These all are the general types of numbers. This all together is called, what is it? The name is called what it is? What it is? Real numbers. Real numbers. So real numbers only we divided the types. Na? So represented letter is R. Represented letter is R. Now listen the conditions. Now listen. See here. All the natural numbers are whole numbers, but all the whole numbers are not natural numbers. Why reason here? In the natural number 0 is not there. That's why if I take 0 means 0 is not a natural number. It is a whole number. That's why condition here. All natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not a natural number. This is the condition, remember. All natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers not a natural number. Why here? Natural number does not include 0. This is the reason. It is the reason. Understand here? So next, see, all the natural numbers, whole numbers are integers. These two are integers, but integers are not whole numbers and natural numbers. So why reason? Whole number, natural number does not consist negative numbers. This is the very most important properties. So many children here only they will get confused here. No need to get confused, just understand the concept here and remember, very easy only. Now see here, again here, natural number, whole number, integers are rational numbers, but all rational numbers are not integers, not whole numbers, not natural number. Why? This all does not consist the what type of number? P by Q form numbers. P by Q form numbers. But here condition one thing. But this all numbers I can convert. But all the number I can convert into the rational numbers. Sir, how it is possible, sir? You only telling as a all the rational numbers are not a whole number, not a integer, not a natural number. You only telling, but you are telling as a. But we can convert. There is a possibility. How? Suppose see here. Suppose 2 is a one whole number or natural number or integers. Suppose if I take denominator 1. It is in the form of what form it is? What form? P by Q form. Yes or no? P by Q form. Sir, it is all we can convert in the P by Q form means this all number should be in the here. Natural number there means all whole numbers are, all what numbers here? Rational numbers are natural number like this will come now, not come. Why? Because see here. Suppose 2 by 3. There here. No. So 2 we can write by placing 1. Some are there, but all is not there. That is the condition here. That's why. So 2 by 3 is not there, but 2 by 1 is there. But so condition here, all rational number I am telling, not for some. All rational number, not a integers, whole numbers, natural numbers. But all natural number, whole number, integers are what numbers? Rational number. How, sir? All we can keep the by 1. For all numbers we can keep by 1. These all become as a rational numbers only. Meaning is what here? Finally what we are concluding here? So numbers are only, we have a 2 types only. First type is what here? The number which can be write in the form of P by Q. The number which can be write in the form of P by Q, that all the number are called the rational numbers. Next type is the number which cannot be write in the form of p by q, that is called as what it is, irrational numbers. So finally we can conclude the numbers are, what are the types is rational numbers and irrational numbers. Irrational number only, so we can come as a natural number, whole number, integers, fractions, so including rational number also. This is the conditions here. These all conditions you have to remember. This is the whole concept of a types of numbers. In the next video, very most important in the student life, that is the special types of numbers. That is the special type of numbers I will explain in the next video. I hope you all are understand the concept thoroughly and perfect. If you understand the concept, please subscribe and do share and comment. Click on bell icon button for more updates. So don't forget, please subscribe my channel. I am Ravi. You are watching Ravi Math Space channel for math education. Signing off. Bye bye.